Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiy'faka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Udaba ngilethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke ividiyo-ke yomunye-ke usisi-ke becacisa-ke ngokusebenza-ke kwi-EFF-ke ne-MK-ke laphana ngemva kokuthi khona-ke ilunga-ke le-EFF-ke laphana likuthutha-ke labhala lathi-ke i-EFF ne-MK-ke kumele-ke kumele-ke la maqembu wethu-ke ahlangane-ke asebenzisane. Lo sisi-ke ube esephendula-ke leyo nkulumo. Uzoyizwela ukuthi uthini-ke laphana mase ngidlalela-ke ividiyo. Ngicela ukuthi mase uzwile-ke le vidiyo lonke nema-comment section-ke ubhale uvo lwakho ukuthi na ucabangani ngalo-ke lo daba. Ngabe i-EFF-ke ne-MK kumele kusebenzisane, ubhale-ke umbono wakho lapha kuma-comment section-ke bese uyangixhasa-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha engizobe ngiy'faka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
So Floyd has tweeted with the leaving of Zizwele and I'm gonna read you guys his tweet, which I find interesting. And Nseki Mazwai has also tweeted. Let's start with Nseki Mazwai. Hey, labantu guys. Ish. So Nseki Mazwai has said, EFF, please merge with MK. It's painful to watch this. I know you said your faces are too gorgeous to save, but this ain't it. You know, guys, so many people in that post are like, yes, EFF must merge. Guys, leave us. Even if we fail and go to zero, it's fine. Tina, we are failing on our own. We have never asked anybody to merge with us. Let us fail in peace. Do your thing, we do our thing. I don't understand the obsession of us merging. Why nina merge kuti? Nothing bores me like this fake unity that is being preached. It bores me. It bores me. This fake unity, no guys, we are one. Hey, fuck that shit. Like, honestly, if you still believe on this fake unity that they are preaching, you are naive. Yo, they irritate me. Okay, now let's go to Floyd. Floyd tweeted and said, Advocate Kwebana, he tagged her, is one of the most disciplined, hardworking, and skilled professionals I know. She never sacrifices principle on the altar of convenience. Viva Black excellence. What kind of shit is that? And I saw Stolile replied on this and said, Floyd, not you praising these people because I know that you don't even like these people. What happened to you? What happened to you? Fucking hypocrites.